Hey everyone, at the Intel Extreme Masters event, the Chinese tech company AOKZOE presented the AOKZOE A2 Ultra, their newest handheld gaming system. The Intel Core Ultra 7 155H CPU that powers this system promises top performance for gamers. The AOKZOE A2 Ultra boasts amazing specs, despite the lack of pricing information at this time. With a resolution of 1920 by 1200, the portable console's 7-inch display provides crisp images for engaging gaming sessions. A smooth and quick performance is guaranteed by the 32 or 64 GB LPDDR5x RAM options available to users. Storage is handled by a 4.0 M.2 SSD, providing ample space for games and other media. One of the notable features of the AOKZOE A2 Ultra is its cooling system, which includes a single fan to keep the device cool during intense gaming sessions. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7, keeping users connected to their networks and peripherals. The console also boasts Hall effect triggers with 8.5mm of travel and built-in RGB lighting effects, enhancing the gaming experience with responsive controls and personalization options. The AOKZOE A2 Ultra comes pre-installed with Windows 11, adding versatility for productivity tasks alongside gaming. Its 12,600 mAh battery offers up to 3 hours of continuous gaming, ensuring extended playtime on the go. Comparing it to the non-Ultra version, the AOKZOE A2 Ultra stands out with its Intel processor and upgraded features, making it a compelling choice for gamers looking for performance and portability in a handheld console. The unveiling of the AOKZOE A2 Ultra handheld gaming console at the Intel Extreme Masters event marks a significant milestone for Chinese tech company AOKZOE. With its powerful Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, high-resolution display, fast RAM, and SSD storage, the A2 Ultra promises an exceptional gaming experience. Features like RGB lit Hall effect triggers, a cooling system for extended gaming sessions, and connectivity choices including Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7 further increase its appeal to players looking for a high-end handheld gaming system. The AOKZOE A2 Ultra's features and capabilities place it as a competitive competitor in the portable gaming market, even though pricing information is still pending. Its ability to work with Windows 11 further broadens its use beyond gaming, giving it a flexible option for those seeking a portable computer that can be used for both work and pleasure. I appreciate you watching this video, and I look forward to answering any questions you may have in the comment section. God bless you and have a good day.